So we are studying digestive system of human beings, and we have a canal which is known as alimentary canal for digestion. Alimentary canal starts in mouth. Mouth has teeth, tongue, and saliva glands. Salivary glands in three pairs of there are three pairs of salivary glands which secrete saliva. Saliva contains salivary amylase. Salivary amylase has some enzymes like amylase, lipase. Amylase digests carbohydrates, whereas lipase digests fats. Mouth opens into a common passage that is known as pharynx. When we swallow the food, then at that time epiglottis covers the windpipe and we swallow the food. And then food moves into the pipe-like structure which is known as esophagus. Esophagus is a long tube and in which some muscular movements take place. These movements are known as peristaltic movements. Peristaltic movements push the food to the stomach. Now, food reaches to the stomach. Our stomach has mainly three parts: cardiac, spontic, and the third part is pylon. Now we study the enzymes and some secretions of the stomach. In our stomach, mainly three secretions are done. That is HCl, hydrochloric acid, pepsin, and mucus. HCl provides acidic medium which activates pepsinogen, and pepsinogen converts to the form of pepsin, which is an active form and which digests proteins. Mucus protects the layer of the stomach from the hydrochloric acid, which is a kind of acid and can cause damage to our stomach wall. So, HCl provides acidic medium which helps to provide the acidic medium to the pepsinogen which is in the inactive form. After getting this acidic environment, pepsinogen gets converted into the pepsin which is an active form and which starts digesting the proteins. Mucus protects our lining of the stomach, and in this way 5 or 4 hours food remains in the stomach and all the enzymes get mixed with the churning movements in the stomach. After that, food enters into the small intestine. From here, small intestine. So about the small intestine, we have already studied that it has mainly 3 parts: duodenum, and then jejunum, and ileum. Digestion takes place in duodenum, absorption takes place in jejunum and ileum. Our small intestine has finger-like processes which absorb the all necessary digested food and pump into the blood vessels. After that, the undigested food enter into the large intestine, in which finger-like processes absorb the remaining water, and then the undigested food reach to the rectum, from where the stretch receptors, when it gets filled with brain, which detect that it has failed and give instruction for the continuation. Now food from the rectum is excreted through anus. So the detailed study of small intestine we will do in the video. You can see in my next episode. So in small intestine, from small intestine, food enters into the large intestine, and from the large intestine to the rectum, and from rectum to the anus. In large intestine also there are mainly three parts: ascending, transverse and descending part. And appendix also is a part of the large intestine. It is a vestigial organ. If a food particle enters in it, it causes pain for children.